So let's see how to use it. This is a tool that you need. First step, put paper on the top of color spinner and switch it on. Pick any color you like and apply it on the top of spinning paper. You can apply any different kind of color you like, and you also can put as many as color you like. In this video, I use orange, red and yellow. After finish applying, you can switch it off. This is the outcome. More neat, more faster. You also can use any type media of you like. This is pencil color. Second, this is a small rounded brush. And this is marker. This is the application of the result. You can make origami, cup liner, keychain and greeting card.